for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Dodge Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, power driver's seat, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.